Did you know that brake discs are wear and tear components? Every stop, every mile, they lose a little bit of material. Over time, that disc gets thinner and thinner. And that small number stamped at the edge, the minimum thickness, matters more than you think. Because when the disc loses thickness, it loses its ability to dissipate heat. The heat stays trapped, temperatures rise, and the result can be less braking power, more noise, and more vibration. That's why every time you change pads, you should measure the disc. If it's at or below the minimum, don't think twice, replace it. A disc at the correct thickness keeps the right temperature, performance, and silence you expect. Keep the thickness, keep the control, and extend the lifetime of your pads and discs. No guesswork, no shortcuts. Simply scan the product's QR code to access all the essential fitting information you need for professional, precise, and reliable results when you need them. Follow us for more Ferodo real-world brake advice. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a fellow tech.